What's going on, fellas? How we doing? How we doing? We got a pretty simple video today. It's like our just trade breakdown. Nothing too crazy. I didn't end up taking anything today. Just didn't wasn't able to catch this short position on US 30. I didn't end up taking a trade, but Adam, he did end up taking a gold buy. He did it went to break even. So he took a break even trade. I took nothing. Like you guys know, he's more into gold, NASDAQ, and US 30, which that works for him and it works for a lot of other traders looking at different pairs and taking 2 or 3 trades per day. For me personally, I do the best when I'm focused on taking one solid A plus trade a day. Okay, and if a setup doesn't form and I don't like it, I'm not gonna take it. I like to do one trade a day, only focusing on US 30. I just do a lot better when I'm focused on one pair and one pair only. Let's get into this. Coming into market open, we had a few different zones. We had this resistance turned into support. We had this support and resistance zone right here. Support, resistance, resistance, support. Then up here we had a resistance zone as well. Last night's lows we had there, that's what I was looking to target. Anyways, like I said, I wasn't able to get an entry on this. This was at 925 when we broke out. Perfect, clean. Would have had a 30-point stop, obviously. Target the lows. Like I said, this was at 925, like 929, unfortunately. Let's check. Yeah, 929 it broke out, unfortunately. Then right at open, we just dumped. We had no pullback or anything. I mean, if I would have liked to see this push up at least to like right here, pull up to, okay, or don't click, pull up to like here with a wick, then pull back down and push bearish. We did not get that, unfortunately, so I didn't end up getting in this trade. You honestly could have. It was just, it happened so quick and it was like maybe 5 seconds into open and I just was not comfortable with that. I would have had to make my stop to 50 ticks. So it's above that zone because 30 ticks would be right below it. So if it wanted to come retest this, I'd be stopped out and it could potentially retest, fall back down. So I would have had to up it to 50 points. I still would have caught a nice 1 to 2 within that same candle. I was looking for shorts and I probably will be through this week just due to the fact that we've been making higher highs and higher lows, as you can see right here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, equal lows right here, as you can see. We obviously pushed up, made a double top up here, okay? Pushed down. Now we're creating new structure. We broke structure here, create a lower low, lower high, lower low. Let me zoom this out. Then what did we do here? We came up, made another double top. The market like tends to repeat itself, so same thing happened here. Okay, we had this big move up, move down, came all the way back up, made a double top. We rejected this double top, and we're gonna see this move down, probably see a move up to here, hopefully here, and then see this continuation down to these lows before going back up potentially. That's my thought process. Obviously, we could see this get broken right here. This is on the daily time frame, by the way. If this gets broken, obviously I'm going to start looking and noticing that we're gonna start going to the upside, start creating higher highs and higher lows. We break out of this, boom, we have a higher high now, probably retest higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, so on and so forth. That's the plan for right now. We have a couple different zones. I mean, if we were to break through right here, obviously you can see this was our main, this was our new lower low that we broke through. We came up, retested, pushed down, came up, reacted off of multiple times. Okay, so if I see that if this gets broken down here, if we see this gets broken, I'm most likely going to be very biased for sells the next couple weeks. Very simple strategy. You guys know how I trade. Trade breakouts on the 5-minute time frame, looking for breaks of support and looking for breaks of resistance, trend lines, wedges, things like that. Overall, it was a good day. We had good structure, good volume. We just didn't get an entry. So I was off the charts at like 10 o'clock roughly. I was like, we could see, we did just sweep out these lows. We're starting to push up. We could see a reversal. We'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully, be able to catch something nice.